Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to discuss about lipids. In this video you will get the notes about briefly classification of lipids and their functions in our body. If we speak about lipids, lipids says to water, don't touch me. To tongue, they are very tasteful. And to if we are consume it in proper diet, it in proper limits, they are very helpful to us, but if we consume it in excess, they are dangerous to us. Now we will come to the actual definition of lipids. Lipids is word obtained from the Greek word lipos. Lipos means fat. Lipids are generally related to fatty acids. Lipids are insoluble in water and soluble in organic compounds like ether and alcohols, and they are utilized by living cell. This is a definition of lipids. Lipids are organic substances insoluble in water, soluble in organic substances. They are mainly related to fatty acids and utilized by living cell. Now we will see the classification of lipids. Lipids are broadly categorized into four types: simple lipids, complex lipids, derived lipids, and miscellaneous lipid. Simple lipids contain fatty acids and alcohols. Only fatty acids and alcohols. Depending upon which types of alcohol is present in that, simple lipids are again classified into two classes. First is fats and oils, and second is waxes. And compound lipids. Compound lipids, these contain fatty acids, oils plus other groups like phosphate, glucose, lipid and other groups. And derived lipids, these are derived from simple and complex lipids. Means these are derived from class first and class second lipids. And miscellaneous. Miscellaneous lipids, as your information I am telling that lipids are not a bigger molecules, they are small molecules. As they are not like proteins and carbohydrate, they are smaller, but some compounds having large number of compound substances, but they possesses the lipid property. They comes under the category of miscellaneous. Simple lipids, fatty acids and alcohols only. In complex, fatty acid, alcohol along with that other group are present. From that they are classified into phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins and other complex lipids. Now we will see the one by one briefly classification. First is simple lipids. Simple lipids are the esters of fatty acids and alcohols. Means simple lipids only contain fatty acids and alcohol. They are again categorized into two types, fats and oils, and second is waxes. If the simple lipids having fatty acid plus glycerol as a alcohol, they known as a fats and oils. If the simple lipids are esters of fatty acid and the alcohol group is other than glycerol, they comes under the category of waxes. In fats and oil, fatty acids plus triglycerol, and in waxes, fatty acids and other than glycerol. Mostly the cetyl alcohol is found in the waxes. And fats and oils, these are same chemically, but only the difference is between their physical stage. As we know that fats are solid in nature and oils are liquid in nature. Next we will see the compound lipids. Compound lipids, these are the esters of fatty acid with alcohols, and additionally they contain the other groups. Maybe they have phosphate group, nitrogenous base, carbohydrates or proteins. Fatty acid, alcohol plus additional group. According to that, they are again classified into subtypes. First class of compound lipid is phospholipid. Phospho plus lipid means phosphoric acid plus fatty acid, alcohol and nitrogenous base. Phospholipids are again classified into glycerophospholipids and sphingospholipids. If the phospholipid having glycerol as a alcohol group, then they are known as a glycerophospholipids. If the phospholipids contain spinosine as an alcohol group, then they are known as a sphingospholipids. The example of glycerophospholipid is lecithin and the example of sphingosphospholipid is sphingomyelin. This is the first class of compound lipid, phospholipids. There are again two types, glycero and sphingno. Now we will see the second class, glycolipids. Glyco plus lipid. Glyco means carbohydrates. If the lipids having nitrogenous base, carbohydrate plus lipids means fatty acid and alcohol, they are known as a glycolipids. Glycolipids contain spinosine as a alcohol, hence they are also known as a glycospinolipids. But the glycerol and the phosphates are present in glycolipid. As we seen in the phospholipid, phosphate and glycerol is present, that is first class. But in glycolipid only the glycerol, only the spinosine is alcohol present and glycerol is absent. The example is cerebroside and ganglioside. The third class of compound lipid is lipoproteins. These are the complexes of lipo means lipid and proteins. Complexes of lipid and proteins. And other complexes, they may have sulfolipids, sulfur plus lipid, amino plus lipid, lipopolysaccharides means lipid plus carbohydrates. These are the four class of compound lipids: phospholipid, glycolipid, lipoproteins and other complexes. Now we will see the third class, derived lipid. As they are derived from the hydrolysis of simple and complex lipids, means these are obtained from the hydrolysis of group first and group second lipids and the product that having the lipids property, hence they are comes under the category of lipids. Derived lipids. The examples of derived lipids are vitamins, steroid, glycerol, ketone bodies, alcohol, hydrocarbons. The last class of lipid is miscellaneous, means they having a large number of compound and they possesses the property of lipid, that having the lipid nature, lipid property, hence they comes under the miscellaneous groups. Example is carotenoid, terpenes and scoline. This is all about the classification of lipids. Now we will see the importance or the functions of lipids in our body. Lipids are very important to us. They act as a reservoir in our body, as they store energy. Whenever our body is required energy, they provide the energy to it. They regulate the membrane permeability. Means our body membrane lipid is present and due to lipids membrane permeability maintained. They act as a source of fat soluble vitamin. They protect our internal organ. They act as an insulating material in which gives shapes and smooth appearance to our body. These are the important functions of lipids. Acts as a reservoir. They protect our internal organ. Source of fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K. And they act as a insulating material. They gives smooth texture to our body. This is all about the lipids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching my video.